Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to share unbiased review on the website buyyoyo.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, let's check out the details. BuyYoyo is an online shopping website that claims to offer good collection of footwear like shoes in different patterns, colors, printed pattern and so on. They are serving their services worldwide including United States. Let's check out the features of this website. It is HTTP secure website. No contact details have been shared on the web portal. Email address have been mentioned, but it is not matching the domain name and it can be a red alert, but we cannot claim the website fake with just one feature. We are going to check out the details in depth. They have shared their social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, but these are not active. Protocols fully secure the website. They are accepting different payment methods like PayPal, Visa card, Mastercard, American Express and so on. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $79 plus. The positive point of the website are it has a good collection of shoes at reasonable prices. It is providing options of different payment modes and currencies. It holds security certificate. All policy details have been shared on official portal. The negative point of the website are leak reviews section is not extended on any portal. All social media pages are not working, but the links have been shared. The domain age is just new. It was created on 13th August 2021. It holds 1% trust score and its trust rank is extremely poor, that is 2.8%. It is providing very few communication mode as no details about contact number, official address have been shared. It is taking too much time in delivery. The images of the products and details are copied from other portals. So the question here is BuyYoyo legit or not? So we are sharing more details. Like we have found it was newly created website. It was created on 13th August 2021 and it will expire right after 1 year on 13 August 2022. It scored a bad trust rank and the website secured a 0 Alexa rating. The data on the website is copied and the founding information is hidden. There is no activity on social networking sites. There is no feedback available from the user side. There is no availability of contact number and the address. As far as the customer reviews are concerned, BuyYoyo is an online shopping for shoe lover as it claims to offer youth shoes, men's and women's collection. But when we check out the detail, we found that there is no review could be found on internet or on the website regarding the product and the website from the customer. So in our final verdict we can say that we have shared all the necessary details regarding this website. Like there is no social media activity, it is very new in the market, no official address have been shared, no contact number and some other details are not genuine. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views regarding this website with us. We love to hear from you.